I am the way, the truth, and the life. Love your enemies. Do good to those who hate you. For what does it profit a man to gain the whole world and forfeit his soul? Blessed are the peacemakers, for they shall be called sons of God. Do not worry about your life, what you will eat or drink, or about your body, what you will wear. Ask, and it will be given to you. Seek, and you will find. Knock, and it will be opened to you. Let him, who is without sin among you, be the first to throw a stone. But I say to you, love your enemies and pray for those who persecute you. Go into all the world and proclaim the gospel to the whole creation. A new command I give you, love one another. As I have loved you, so you must love one another. For even the Son of Man did not come to be served, but to serve and to give his life as a ransom for many. Do to others as you would have them do to you. But seek first the kingdom of God and his righteousness, and all these things will be added to you. Truly, I say to you, unless you turn and become like children, you will never enter the kingdom of heaven. Greater love has no one than this, that someone lay down his life for his friends. Come to me, all who labor and are heavy laden, and I will give you rest. I am with you always to the end of the age. Whoever wants to be first must be last of all and servant of all. Do not judge, and you will not be judged. Do not condemn, and you will not be condemned. But blessed are your eyes, for they see, and your ears, for they hear.